It's 2:30 p.m. You're staring at your screen. Your eyelids feel like bowling balls. And that third cup of coffee isn't working anymore. It's just making your heart race while your brain stays completely asleep. We've all been there. But what if I told you the secret to boundless, all-day energy isn't at the bottom of an energy drink can? It's actually hiding in your grocery cart. Today, we are breaking down the absolute best foods you can eat to hack your daily energy levels, minus the sugar crashes. Let's fuel up. First up, we need to talk about your body's primary fuel source, carbohydrates. But not all carbs are created equal. If you eat a donut or a sugary pastry, your blood sugar spikes, you feel great for 20 minutes. And then you crash hard. Instead, you want complex carbohydrates. These are packed with fiber, which acts like a brake pedal for your digestion, releasing energy slowly and steadily into your bloodstream. The MVP here is oatmeal. Oats contain a special fiber called beta-glucan, which keeps your blood sugar stable and prevents those mid-morning dips. Another great upgrade is swapping your white bread or white rice for quinoa or sweet potatoes at lunch. They are packed with complex carbs and manganese, a nutrient that directly helps your body break down nutrients to create sustainable power. Next, let's talk about fats. For a long time, we were told fat was the enemy. But your brain is actually made of about 60% fat, and it craves the healthy stuff to function properly. Think of complex carbs as the kindling for your daily fire, and healthy fats as the big logs that keep that fire burning for hours. First, we have avocados. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help improve nutrient absorption and keep your energy steady throughout the afternoon. Then there are chia seeds and flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which fight off the inflammation that often causes brain fog and fatigue. Finally, almonds and walnuts. A simple handful of these gives you a perfect trifecta of healthy fats, protein, and magnesium. Magnesium is crucial because if you're low on it, your body actually has to work harder to do basic tasks, draining your energy reserves without you even realizing it. Now, you can't talk about stamina without protein. Protein slows down the absorption of sugar in your blood and keeps you feeling full, so you aren't constantly distracted by hunger or facing energy dips. Eggs are the ultimate breakfast champion here. They are rich in B vitamins, which are the exact enzymes your body needs to convert the food you eat into usable energy. Greek yogurt and wild salmon are also excellent sources of clean protein that won't leave you feeling heavy and sluggish after lunch. But before we get to the final, quickest energy boosters, we have to talk about the cheapest energy supplement on the planet, water. Dehydration is the #1 hidden cause of daytime fatigue. If you feel suddenly exhausted, don't reach for a snack yet, drink a large glass of water first. If your body is even 1% to 2% dehydrated, your mood, concentration, and physical performance plummet instantly. Alright, what if you need a quick boost right now? Forget the candy bars. Here are your 2 best secret weapons. First, dark chocolate, specifically 70% or higher. It contains natural stimulants like theobromine and a tiny bit of caffeine, which improve focus and mood without the jittery side effects or the harsh crash of heavy coffee. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants. Second, spinach and leafy greens. Leafy greens are packed with iron, and iron helps your red blood cells carry oxygen throughout your body. Less iron means less oxygen to your brain, which equals instant exhaustion. Throwing some spinach into a morning smoothie or a lunch salad is an absolute game changer. So, let's wrap this up. If you want to dominate your day and banish the afternoon slump, your formula is incredibly simple. Start your day with slow-burn carbs like oats. Add healthy fats and clean proteins like eggs, nuts, or avocado to keep that fire burning. And most importantly, stay hydrated from morning to night. Stop trying to survive on caffeine spikes and sugar rushes. Feed your body real fuel, and it will give you real, sustainable energy. Give this a try this week. Swap out just one sugary snack for a handful of almonds and water, and see how much your focus changes. Thanks for watching, and stay energized.